welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how to get rid of hiccups. The first remedy for hiccups will be with cold water. Drink 1 glass of cold water with a bit of honey or suck on a small piece of ice for a few seconds. Sugar. Sugar is a great remedy for hiccups, especially for children who cannot complete the other remedy with cold water or with ice. Fill a teaspoon with sugar, introduce it in your mouth and hold it for a few seconds, about 5 seconds. Allow the sugar to dissolve slowly, then drink a bit of water and the hiccups will be gone. Another way is with peanut butter. I bet a lot of people like peanut butter. Take a teaspoon of peanut butter, introduce it in your mouth and keep it for a few seconds, then swallow the peanut butter. If needed, drink a glass of water. And the last way is with lemon juice. Take half of teaspoon of lemon juice, keep it in your mouth for a few seconds, then swallow it. The sour taste of the lemon is going to compel the hiccup and will be over. I wish I would know this before because I would have done it. I do have hiccups very often and it's very disturbing for my stomach. I hope these remedies helped you somehow. If you know any other remedies for hiccups, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you later. Kisses and hugs. Bye!